Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with our 62 of 31 low profile creeper seat. You can have a high position here or you adjust down into a low creeper. It's very comfortable. So let me show you how that works. You got your latches here. Pull them out, spring loaded, and there you go, just that easy. And with the low profile chair, you can service brakes, hubs, and trailer wiring too. It really makes it a breeze. A heavy duty frame, nice comfortable pad, and it rolls with ease. And in the upright position, it's nice and comfortable to do trim work or stuff detailing around the fender wells or changing out lights, or when you have a stubborn hood latch, you can get in there nice and comfortable.